Welcome to your first steps in Python programming. Python is a versatile and powerful programming language renowned for its readability and straightforward syntax. It's perfect for beginners, yet robust enough for the pros, being widely used in web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, which is obviously a pretty big topic right now, right? Scientific computing, and much, much more. One of Python's biggest advantages is its extensive library support, which provides tools for various applications, making it incredibly efficient and popular across different industries. Whether you're looking to automate tasks, analyze data, or build your own applications, Python offers both simplicity and flexibility to help you achieve your goals. Throughout this course, you'll learn the fundamentals of Python, from basic syntax to user-defined functions. By the end of this journey, you will have the skills and confidence to tackle real-world problems and continue exploring the expansive universe that is Python programming. Let's dive in and start coding. Before we begin programming, let's talk about the software you see on the screen right now. This is called an IDE, which stands for an Integrated Design Environment. In specific, this is VS Code, one of the most popular IDEs in the world. For the purpose of this course, you don't really need to know much about these. Just note that IDEs are used to make Python programming simpler and more efficient. Now, in the IDE, I just need you to know two things. It's this top block right here and this bottom block right here. This top block is what we're going to refer to as the script, and that's where we're going to put all of our code. When we click this little play button in the top right, our script will execute. This bottom box right here is what is referred to as the terminal. This is where the outputs of our script will show up, as well as error messages or any other things that we need to address. Now, let's move into talking about print statements. Print statements in Python are a fundamental feature used to display information on the screen. By using the print function, you can output text, numbers, or any other data type, making it a valuable tool for debugging and showing the results of your code. It's simple to use. Just enclose the data you want to display within the parentheses of the print function and run the script. This makes the print statements an essential part of your learning and understanding of how Python programming works. Let's take a look at an example together. So as you can see here on the screen, on line 3 of our script, we have typed print, followed by an open and closing parentheses with the text hello world inside of it. This text is what's known as a string, hence the quotations around it. Don't worry about this too much right now. We'll talk about strings more later. So when I run this script now, it's going to print the text hello world into the terminal like we discussed before. Let's see this live. And there it is. Our terminal shows hello world. Let's do one together to make this a little more clear. So on line 5, I'm going to type in print, just like that, with an open parentheses. Python automatically put the closed parentheses here after. And inside of that, I'm going to use those quotes to make text again. Once again, don't worry about this too much right now. We'll talk about the data types later. And I am going to type a sentence that's going to be on theme for this entire course. And that is, we are managing a grocery store. Now, when I go to run this, you'll see that in the terminal, the text, we are managing a grocery store, pops up. Now that you've taken your first steps, it's your turn to practice using print statements.